have a bad feeling about this.
Whoa, you motherfucker. Oh my god! Shit! Jesus Christ!
Yeah, there's a fire! There's a fucking fire! That's one way to get rid of a refrigerator.
That's gotta be the best fucking...
Holy shit, it did light a fire! Holy shit! Not a lot of the fridge left.
That son of a bitch ought to get a million hits there. Jesus Christ!
Oh my god, looks like a tornado. Wow.
Holy shit. You want to throw this on there and run real quick?
Not a lot of fridge left.
None.
There's the bottom part of the door, Mike. That's about it.
Wow.